Hi Natalie, I've got the same model of typewriter as you, and I'm just going to show you what it should look like, and then I'm going to show you how to fix yours. Okay, so this ledge here, this is the bit that is broken on yours, should be over the top of this black line here. Now what yours has done is that it's wedged underneath it because the carriage has been pulled back. So I'm going to put mine in the same position as yours, and then I'm going to show you how to get it back. This is the situation that yours is in at the moment, so you've got yours just slightly below where it should be. Okay, so first of all I'm going to show you something at the front that you'll need to look out for. It's now in the same position as the way you've got yours. This bit will have come loose because it's not connected to the black loop. So at the moment yours is probably just loose. You'll need to put it back in before you flip the ledge over. So this nobule here will eventually slot back into this black loop here. I don't know whether you can see it, but you'll be able to see it if you look behind. So what you need to do is just slot it back and make sure these two bits are either side of this metal bit, and then sandwich it in between the two bits of metal at the back so that this can go all the way down. Okay, and once you've done that, because we're going to turn the typewriter upside down, it'll fall out, so you'll need to secure it with a bit of sticky tape. Okay, so just put it so it's right at the bottom, or maybe a bit further up, and then just stick it like that. Okay, and then just turn it over. Okay, so we've got the ledge in place now. Now all I would do is get a flathead screwdriver, like the one I've got here, put it in between, in the little space here where the angle is, in between this black bit and the ledge itself. And as you're doing it, you need to tilt it upwards and try and grab hold of the carriage and sort of pull it back as you're pulling, and push it towards you. So as I'm going to get my screwdriver in place, I'm going to push it out, and then I'm pulling with my hand as well at the same time, and then over the top, and there it is. It's gone over the top now, and you should be able to push it up and down like that. If you get it stuck on the back of the screw, because it's quite tricky to get it over the ledge and the screw, then use this side here to move it over the last bit, but you should have no problem just easing it over this black bit here. If you can't do it, then get someone to help you. Okay, and now with the front bit, what will happen is this bit, I'll just take my sticky tape off, this bit is supposed. Okay, so when you turn it over, you'll find that this bit doesn't move up and down like it's supposed to because it's not connected to the black loop. So you'll just need to reconnect them, and it's pretty easy. All you'll need to do is, if you look behind, in between these two bits, you'll see that the black loop is just sitting above the little nobule that's supposed to go inside it. So all you'll need to do is just get your screwdriver again and insert it from the right hand side. Between here, you get a very thin screwdriver, and you slot it in between the black loop and the silver knob, and you just push it towards the back, and it will just clip over it'll just slip straight over it because of the pressure. It wants to slide straight onto the little hoop thing, so as soon as you push it back, it'll just clip back in place. And then once you've done that, you'll be able to, whenever you press a key, it will move up and down like it's supposed to, and then you just rethread your ribbon. So it goes back around there and inside those little bits, and then over and inside there. Okay.